Morning everyone. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can watch videos and review them and earn on Celeste. So right now look at this balance right here. You can see six euros is here. 6 euros is right here in this income flow balance. Now I'll go into the comedy review. Once I go there, this is the comedy review video that is available right now. All I have to do is to click on start tax. Once I click on start task, now read the instructions. Warning, you are expected to complete accepted tasks. Repeated failure may lead to account suspension. So if you try to bypass this task, or maybe if you don't perform the activity the way you are meant to perform it, you will miss out. So now, what are the requirements to actually perform this task and end without any problems? First, task verification. Second, you have to watch for a minimum of 8 seconds. What? 8 seconds. Look at it right here, 8 seconds. You click the first button, follow external link. Now right here, this is this okay, this is where the link took me to. So what do? I click on join. After clicking on join, I go back. Now I'll click on I have visited refresh to unlock. So I'll click here now. Now you can see it avoid the video for more than 8 seconds. You can see it is 17/8 seconds, which means I have qualified to earn. So I'll click on I have completed this task. Now as you can see, now let us go and check that out in my history. As you can see right here, I just earned €1. I just earned €1 for claiming comedy reviews. Now let's go back and check our dashboard if it actually reflected. Now you can see right here, this balance has increased to €7. So this is how you can claim comedy review and earn on Celeste. Now these videos come out certain times in a day. It is not just one day you receive. You can receive 2, 3, 4, 5, depending on how many content or how many advert videos that Celeste have for their users. So once they release these videos, you can go ahead and check your account. Once you see it, you go and perform the activity. Once you perform the activity, you earn from doing it. So this is exactly how you can earn through watching comedy videos and reviewing them. So that will be all for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe this video, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on my next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.